Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the CHITA dining chair. As you can see, this is a nice upholstered, tufted chair. It's really beautiful. I really like to use this chair because I find that it's a very nice, elegant, classic style, which is perfect if you're trying to achieve that look. But it is actually a very nice, cozy chair as well, so you can mix and match it depending on what style you may want in your home. This is a very comfortable chair as well, which is important, especially since I'm using it here in my dining table, in my dining area. And sometimes you can just sit down and relax and have a nice dinner. And I find that it's very important to have a comfortable chair because you may be sitting down for many hours. So I really feel like this is a nice chair, and I want to show you what this looks like up close.
As you can see, this is a stone gray color. It's tufted and the material is super good. I really like it because the fabric is not only stylish and elegant, but it's also durable and easy to maintain because I've cleaned it very nicely and it still maintains its nice color and the nice texture.
This is what the chairs look like in my dining area. It is so beautiful, so elegant, so stylish. If you're looking for some chairs that you can use in your dining area, I would definitely recommend these. They're so beautiful, and that's my point of view.